Do you know what the single greatest threat to your hard-earned retirement nest egg is right now? It is not the stock market going up and down. It is not inflation eating away at your purchasing power. No. It is the fear of making a technical mistake with your money that causes it to vanish into thin air forever. When you are in retirement, or just years away from it, you do not have the luxury of time to make back money lost to a simple typo. You cannot afford to lose your peace of mind. And right now, if you are holding your XRP on a centralized exchange, whether that is Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, or any other platform, you are exposed to a major problem. You do not truly own that crypto. The exchange does. If they lock your account, if they change their rules, or if they face financial trouble, your retirement funds are at risk. That is exactly why you want to move your assets into a self-custodial wallet like Bifrost. You want to be your own bank. You want to control your financial destiny. But I know what you are feeling right now. You are feeling a deep sense of anxiety. You are asking yourself, what if I press the wrong button? What if my XRP disappears? What is a destination tag, and what happens if I forget it? Those are smart questions to ask. In fact, if you aren't a little nervous about moving cryptocurrency, you aren't paying attention. But fear should never paralyze you from doing the right thing for your financial security. Today, we are going to eliminate that fear. We are going to walk through exactly how to safely, securely, and permanently transfer your XRP into your Bifrost wallet, step by absolute step, with no mistakes allowed. First, let's understand the landscape. Your Bifrost wallet is an app on your phone, but it is fundamentally a digital vault where you hold the master keys. To send your XRP from an exchange to Bifrost, you need to tell the exchange exactly where to send it. This means you need your Bifrost XRP address. Open your Bifrost Wallet app on your mobile device. Right at the bottom of the screen, you will see a blue button that says Menu. Tap that button. A list of options will appear, and you are going to select Receive. Now, you will see a list of different cryptocurrencies. Scroll down until you find XRP. Pay very close attention here. Make sure you are selecting native XRP on the XRP ledger, not a version of it on another network. When you tap XRP, a screen will open showing a long string of random letters and numbers, along with a square QR code. This long string is your unique public address. It is like the digital routing number and account number for your wallet. Now, here is where the big question always comes up for people approaching retirement. Susie, what about the destination tag? Listen to me closely. When you are sending XRP to a self-custodial wallet like Bifrost, you are sending it to a private, unique account that belongs to you and only you. Therefore, Bifrost does not require a destination tag to know whose account the funds belong to. However, the exchange you are sending the money from might force you to enter something in the destination tag box before they let you hit send. If the exchange forces you to enter a tag, you can simply type in the number 0, or any random string of numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will not affect the transfer because Bifrost ignores it anyway. But what you must get right is that long public address.to. Make sure there are absolutely zero mistakes. Tap the address on your Bifrost screen to copy it directly to your phone's clipboard, or use the Share Address button. Never, ever try to type out these numbers and letters by hand. One wrong letter, one lowercase instead of an uppercase, and your money is gone into the universe, never to be recovered. Copy it exactly. Next, you need to open the exchange app where your XRP is currently sitting. Go to your portfolio, select XRP, and look for the button that says Withdraw or Send. When you tap Send, the exchange is going to ask you for two main pieces of information: the destination address and the amount you want to send. In the address field, paste the long string you just copied from your Bifrost wallet. Double-check the first 4 characters and the last 4 characters to ensure they match exactly what you see in your Bifrost app. Now, here is the golden rule of financial survival in the crypto world. Especially when you are protecting a retirement fund, you never, ever send your entire balance all at once on the first try. I do not care how confident you feel. I do not care if you have checked the address 10 times. Your immediate, actionable takeaway right now is to perform a test transfer. You are going to select a very small amount of XRP, maybe 5 or 10 tokens. Enter that small amount and proceed to the next step. The exchange will likely ask you for your two-factor authentication code, whether that is an SMS text code or an app like Google Authenticator. Enter the code and confirm the withdrawal. Once you hit confirm, take a deep breath. XRP is incredibly fast. Unlike Bitcoin or traditional bank wires that can take hours or days, an XRP transaction usually settles in 3 to 5 seconds. Open your Bifrost Wallet and look at your balance. Within a minute or two, you should see those test tokens arrive safely in your account. When you see that small balance update, you will feel a massive wave of relief. You will realize that you are fully capable of handling this technology. You have proven the pipeline works. Now that the path is clear, you can go right back to your exchange, repeat the exact same steps, paste the exact same address, and safely transfer the remaining balance of your XRP. Once all your XRP arrives in your Bifrost wallet, you have successfully eliminated the risk of exchange failures. You have moved from a position of vulnerability to a position of power. Your keys are secure on your device, protected by Bifrost's audited security systems. You are now the true owner of your wealth, and you can step forward into your retirement years with the security, clarity, and peace of mind that you deserve.